Yes, that is snow that you see on me. But it is snowing right now here in Boston. Yes, once again, Noah Talbot. Yeah, so keep rocking. Alright, so this morning I was supposed to be up 6. I overslept big time. I didn't get up till like 10 something. So now I'm heading into town to help the homeless at one of the places I help out at. So yeah, there's just something on it. So yes, I had my coffee as usual. Alright, so today's vlog, well, one of the uploaded today is going to be late getting posted. I had to edit it and then I'll post it up as soon as it's done. I ended up doing that at the library, but not sure yet. Yeah, I like that. So, but yeah. Yeah, I'll have it posted as soon as I can. So it's gonna be delayed today. So I'll have it posted. Promise. So I just enough to share this. Alright, so finally at the Boston Commons right now. Yes, I had to put my hood up. Damn it. Alright, everybody. As you can see, I put my hood up, because it's getting bad. Well, not bad, but it's snowing, let's say that. So, I'm at the Boston Commons right now, and on my way over to Boston Warm. I've already seen a few of the homeless this morning on the front of my church, and I don't like to go in. I don't like being indoors, and I don't blame them. Some of these shelters, I don't blame them. It gets too crowded, and it's just like, no. Oh joy. Looks like I have to go around due to construction. Great! That's what I need right now. But yeah.